Hello students, welcome to all in 12th standard. Today we have seen subject OCM, first chapter, Principle of Management. In that chapter, the various principles are acquired and formulating in the management process. So, what is a management? We have seen in 11th standard the management. To manage each and everything is called as management. So, this management process is recognized by the various managers in the particular organizations as well as in the firm. So there is an introduction and meaning and definition, then various principles, nature, significance and theories for two persons in the management process or succeed management in the particular organization. First we have seen the meanings and definition of the principles of the management. So what is the mean by principles? So principle is defined as a fundamental truth. So जो principles है जो define किया है, जो organizations में जो चीज़ें दिखाई दी है वो इस proposition that serves as a foundation for a system and behavior by the change of the reasoning is called as a principles. So the nature of a principles of a management, point number 1.3 in page number 2. There is a various natures of management principles is given below. First is universal application, general guidelines, then principles are formed by practice and experiments, flexibility, behavior in nature, cause and effect relationship, and then last is all principles are of equal importance. First nature we have seen is that universal application. So the principle of management process, the application formed by the universal all kind of nature and its types of organization is depend upon their size and nature. So the universal is extraordinary. Universal means what? Extraordinary. The application be modified but the suitable for all kinds of organizations. So its application is to all levels of management. Then second is general guidelines. Management principle provide general guidelines in organization situation to solve the many problems in the organization. So for example is that remuneration. सो जो रेमुनरेशन है, जो टर्म रेमुनरेशन रहता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, गिव्स द गाइडलाइंस. कौन गाइडलाइंस देगा? मैनेजर. सो गिव्स द प्रॉपर गाइडलाइंस थ्रू द manager to solve their problems in the situation, size and nature. So there is a financial condition. Remuneration is also depends upon the financial conditions of the particular organization. So third point is that principles are formed by practice and experiments. The management principles are developed and generally developed and formed by the various practices and observations and experiment conducting for developing the principles of the management process. So the management principles is give the guidelines through the various employees to recognize all the employees experiment and conducting before the developing them experiments and practices. Next is that flexibility. So the management principles are flexible in nature. It means that it cannot be changed and modified in the according to the situations. They cannot be changed. Flexible means do not change according to their nature and situations. The manager can be flexible while implementing and experimenting the principles and requirement for the management process. So it can be modified and used the organizations according to its need and flexibility of the management process. Next is that behavioral in nature. So the management is a group activity. Management aims to achieve the certain goals in the group of human goals in a human beings. So the management is totally depends upon their behavior and designed to employees of human beings. So the principal control a group of person and achieve the objectives for their nature of goals. So next is cause and effect relationship. Principle of management are the base of the cause effect of the relationship between the organization and the management process. For example, payment of goods and wages helps to increasing the output workers, making advertisement increasing the sales of the प्रोडक्शन. जो एडवर्टाइज करते हैं मैनेजमेंट में एम्प्लॉयज़ के थ्रू जो एडवर्टाइज किया जाता है उससे क्या होता है विच हेल्प्स द डू इंक्रीज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द सेल्स ऑफ अ प्रोडक्शन. नेक्स्ट, all principles are of equal importance. All principles of management are of equal importance. Those are to be practiced simultaneously to get best results in the form of achievement. So the management principles are the principle of social science. The nature of principle of management is not absolute like pure sciences, chemistry, mathematics, etc., with some modification according to requirement. Organization needs to apply the principles of the management process. So all principles, जो भी principles है managers में, जो conditions है, जो कंडीशंस है जो अचीवमेंट किया जाता है मैनेजर थ्रू कंपनी में, वो सब इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस है. जो मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स आर ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस, नेचर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स एंड like science, chemistry and mathematics. So that is the equal importance for each and every terms in the management process. Next point is that 1.4 significance of management principles. So there is we have seen the natures of the principles of the management. In that process various significance plays the important role in the management process. First of all is that provide useful insight to management. Insight means to see the virtual understanding in the management process. The principles of management helps the manager to understand the organization, to study the principles. Various principles helps to improve the understanding of the situation and the problems. So manager can find out the solutions and the problems and handle situation. So it can be reduce the outcome of the experience of various professionals people is that the time guidance reduce the wastage materials and resources, and to achieve the goals can be appropriate manner and in proper manner. So it provide useful insight in the management process. So next is that helpful in efficient utilization of resources. In every organization there is a two types of resources. First is physical resources, that is called machine, मटेरियल एंड मनी. तीन रिसोर्सेस आएंगे किसमें फिजिकल में. फर्स्ट क्या है मटेरियल, देन मशीन्स and then money, and human resource में आए क्या आएगा मैन पावर. There is a two type of resources again in the management process. First is all physical resources and second is human resources. The basic function of a management is to make the proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum control of wastage of resources. So, is that the kind of level of employees is affected for the administration process. For example, use of standard tools and machinery helps to increasing the quality of production as well as increase the efficiency of human resources. दो स्टैंडर्ड जो मशीनरी आप डेवलप करेंगे और जो इंक्रीज करेंगे क्वालिटी मशीन्स की, उससे क्या होगा, आपका प्रोडक्शन एज वेल एज लेवल ऑफ इफिशिएंसी ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज इज also increases. Scientific decision in business organization to make the scientific reasons and scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision principles train the managers to handle critical situation factfully, and various factors will be allowed to take the scientific decision, and various management principles gives the various ideas for analyze these particular situations in the management process. Next is that understanding social responsibility. Management principles are based on every aspect of organization. They cannot be developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of the organization so that they cannot focus on providing quality products at reasonable prices. They encourage research and development R&D. Principles of management is a dynamic in nature, so there is a various surrounding and scope of surrounding is available in the management process. So it brings the research and development in the scientific approach, and the various training gives the employees through manager to developing the scientific approach towards the research and development. So absolutely is that the growth and development of organization is always works for finding new techniques in the production field as well as finance, marketing and human resources also. Then next is that helps to coordinate and control. Management principles are the guidelines for better coordination and control. It is create the coordination and cooperation among the different employees working in different departments. It is also difficult task for the management to keep control on the performance of the employees. The management principle offer suitable system and establish coordination and control. Develop objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Managers can identify the business opportunities in the develop objectives of the approach, so it builds confidence in the mind of management. So it is the way to find out the various principles of the management process. Thank you.